Here's a simple method you can use to check the verticality of columns or stanchions on a construction site. A plumb bob is attached to the top of the column, minimum of two numbers, i.e. one at both sides, and the weighted string is allowed to hang freely. If the string consistently aligns with the column at various points, particularly the upper and lower points, then the column is considered vertical. A typical measuring tape can be used to check this. In the absence of a commercial plumb bob, a makeshift alternative can be created using a plastic bottle filled with sand. Here's a sketch to describe what to do if the column is not perfectly aligned. This sketch also describes what position the column needs to be shifted to get the correct alignment. Engineering is interesting. Do you know that the dumpy level can also be used to measure distance aside taking levels? Most people are unaware of this fact. This can be useful when taking long-distance measurements on site without a measuring tape. To measure a particular distance from the machine to the leveling staff, the top and bottom stadia mark readings are noted. This is then subtracted and multiplied by the stadia constant, which is generally taken as 100. When dealing with distance measurement, the middle stadia mark used for taking levels are ignored. For this lesson, we will be using a sample reading gotten from a dumpy level. The top stadia mark is taken as 1.5 while the bottom stadia mark is taken as 1.345 in meters. By calculation using the given formula, this equals 15.5 meters, which is the distance from the machine to the leveling staff. Engineering is interesting.